Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off S Mode in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure everything is ready before moving forward, as you'll need full system access to complete this process. Once your PC is up and running, look down at your taskbar and locate the Windows Start menu. Click on it to open the menu. In the search field that appears, type Microsoft Store and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Microsoft Store application, which is your gateway to downloading apps and managing Windows features. The Microsoft Store window will open, showing you various apps available for your Windows 11 system. Now, direct your attention to the top part of the Microsoft Store window where you'll find a search bar. Click on this search bar and type in Switch out of S Mode, then hit Enter to search. This specific search query will help you find the tool you need to disable S Mode on your computer. From the search results that appear, look for an option called PC Manager S Mode. This is the official tool that controls S Mode on your Windows 11 PC. S Mode is a locked-down version of Windows that only allows apps from the Microsoft Store, so turning it off will let you download applications from outside sources and give you full customization control over your computer. Click on the PC Manager S Mode option from the search results. This will take you to its overview page where you can read more details about what the app does. On this page, you'll see a button labeled Get. Click on this button to begin installing the PC Manager app onto your system. The installation process will start immediately after you click Get. Now you'll need to wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs on your computer. The installation time depends on your internet speed, so just be patient. Once the installation is complete, you'll be able to open the PC Manager app and turn off S Mode directly from there. This gives you the freedom to install any compatible software on your Windows 11 PC and removes the restrictions that S Mode places on your system. And that's it, you've successfully accessed the tool to turn off S Mode in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.